Hey beauties, Waah Gwaan, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video on my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already yet done so, and let's jump on right into this video. Just before I start explaining what I'm doing in this video, I want to let you guys know that when you're handling acrylic and the acrylic is a little bit stubborn than usual, it's due to the fact that there's, a lot of something in it. So it could be a lot of something in the acrylic, or it could be high content of color. So it could be either of the two. So be mindful of that. Don't be frustrated, because I've been there, and I kind of did work it out. So I want you guys to know. So today I'll be working with Mia Secret as per usual. This is my new favorite, or I just don't have anything else right now. So I'm using this for today's video. I'll be using banana and green tea for marbling, and then marbling ombre. I don't think I have done a marbling ombre set on my channel. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think I've ever done one. So today's the day that I'll be giving you a video on that. So the reason why I said what I said at the very first part of the this video is that I'm working with Mia Secret, and if you guys realize, while working with Mia Secret, the product is a little bit more stubborn when it comes on to marbling or whatever. So it's due to the fact that it has high content of color in it, so it dry fairly easy, it don't move as much, so you find that you work with the product a little bit more wet than any other product that you're using. So what I'm doing here is that I'm marbling the two. These are green tea and banana, if I did not say. So I'm marbling the two, ensuring that they're matching my expectations. I mean, the perfectionist in me, ensuring that there's enough color here and there. So now that I'm finished with the marbling aspect, I will then go in with some foils. So these foils represents the autumn leaves, and I wanted it to be a little bit more unique than the previous video, because the previous video was a little bit flat and a little bit extra, so I wanted something different. So I went in with some foils, placing them very randomly on each of these nails, and after that is done, I will then go in and encapsulate each of the nails. If you want to be up to date with me, you guys can follow me on TikTok, and you want to see what next video I'm going to post, you can follow me on TikTok. I recently did a video with this here, and I was getting a lot of good feedbacks, a lot of love, a lot of views, which I really do appreciate. Just to see what you guys want in the next video, or if you guys do like this video, or you just can't wait for me to post the longer version of this video, do go and follow me on TikTok. It's quite fun. I'm going to insert a screen record so you guys can see the type of comments that I made. I love to interact with you guys, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week, every week, and comment down below. I genuinely like when you guys do interact with me. And also follow me on my Instagram at BareBeauty Services, and the TikTok is also BareBeauty Services. So after I'm done with the capping stage, I'll then take my dark nude, placing that at the apex area and pulling it down very gently and so slightly. If you pull the product down very aggressively, you're not going to get the results that you want, and to achieve the perfect ombre, you need to do this very gently, baby steps, sweetie. It don't matter how how many beads that you work with in the cuticle area, as long as you achieve the perfect ombre that you want. So my tip for you today is to apply the product, the base color, to on the apex area. That's if you're working with a, you know, two-way ombre. Place the product at the apex area and pull the product down slightly. If you're working with 3 colors, it's the same method. You place it just above the color that you previously applied, and then pull it down gently to get that perfect gradient. So after I'm done with the ombring stage, I will then take a small amount of clear and just cap the entire nail. So these are how the nails are looking right after everything is done. They need to be filed. So just before I go in with my sanding band, I will go in with my diamond bit to deball these nails, and then I'll go in with my emery board to shape the nail as much as I possibly can. And these are the final stages of, you know, getting the nails done. I'll go in with my sanding band, you know, smoothing out the nails, ensuring that the nails don't have bellies, because I really don't like when my, you know, nails have bellies to them. Not my taste. So I ensure that I go from sidewall to sidewall, flattening out that nail, doing everything that, you know, is required for me to like these nails. So yes, after that is done, I will then wash my hands and then comb and, you know, top coat as per usual. Nothing else to these nails. These nails were basic but not basic. If you guys do enjoy, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Follow me on my social medias at Bare Beauty Services, TikTok and Instagram. And if you want to keep up to date with me, ensure that you follow me on TikTok, especially because more recent videos are posted on there, and just before, you know, I post on YouTube. You get the drift of things. So thank you guys so very much for watching. You're new, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this video convinced you enough to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
for that we